Imagine you are an explorer embarking on a journey into the uncharted territories of data. Your compass, GraphQL. It's not just any tool, it's a powerful guide that helps you navigate the vast landscape of your API, ensuring you extract exactly what you need. No excess baggage, no missing pieces, just the right amount of data to fill your explorer's knapsack. As you traverse this landscape, you will discover the full capabilities of your data, all accessible from a single convenient endpoint. It's like finding a hidden trail that connects every corner of your application. And the best part, you are in control. With GraphQL's type system, you ensure that your requests are always possible, like a well calibrated compass pointing you in the right direction. Our journey begins with the understanding of the key concepts of GraphQL, the essential survival skills for our expedition. It's like learning how to read a map or set up a camp. Next, we will set up our base camp, our development environment, and start exploring. We will learn how to query data with GraphQL, like learning for a hidden treasure. We will also learn how to add, update, and delete data using GraphQL mutations, mastering the art of altering the landscape to suit our needs. Towards the end of our journey, we will delve into the world of relational data. It's like discovering a network of underground caves, each connected to the other. We will learn how to retrieve this interconnected data using queries and how to add new connections using mutations. I'm your guide in this exciting journey, a seasoned explorer, a full stack .NET web developer, and a fellow trainer. So, fellow adventurers, are you ready to explore the fascinating world of GraphQL in ASP.NET Web API application with me? Let's embark on this journey together. This adventure is designed for everyone, even those who are new to the land of Web API. However, having a map, a basic understanding of the Web API projects could make your journey smoother. Our guide on this journey will be the powerful language of C Sharp, a trusted companion for many developers. We'll be venturing into the territories of .NET Core, a framework that's robust and reliable. As for our toolkit, we'll be using Visual Studio Code, but worry not. If you have a version of Visual Studio running, it'll serve you just as well on this journey. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of GraphQL and ASP.NET Web API.